coming to UCL and London as well has expanded my horizons of what is possible.
Being a student at UCL has given me the confidence and the tools to approach different challenges, which is super helpful when navigating the job market.
With the guidance of my mentors, my professors, and the networking events that I attended, I understood what really interests me and what I really want to do.
My classmates and faculty come from all over the world. Such diversity pushed me to think bigger and question deeper, and importantly, take action.
The professors that teach us have advised real policy, they've worked in real governments, but still they take the time out to guide us. We've had guest lectures from people from places like the UN or the World Bank.
Our professor at UCL is so well renowned in his field. He took us to the NHS Innovation Hub and he managed to secure us a 3-month internship. He has all of these connections and it just opened as to what was possible in terms of getting into the industry.
My institute specifically organized a lot of career events where different people from different fields came and guided us and mentored us. Every day you at least have 15 to 20 different things which are happening around campus, and you can just pick and choose where you want to go and network to people. You'll always find something for you.
I've spoken with UCL alum about her leadership role in the international business settings. It's really initiated me to take action to look for international summer internship.
Almost everything I achieve in the future we can trace back and link to this one year. I can't wait for the future. Can't wait.